Hey everybody, Fetty here. It's been a while since I've posted anything on the channel, and there's two reasons for that. One is the mad Christmas rush and orders that I've had to fulfill, and the other is I've been feverishly trying to assemble and get this plasma machine up and running. So I got a little bit caught up today, and I had some time to play around with this plasma machine, and I've done my first CNC plasma project. It's kind of simple and it's kind of cheesy, but I needed something, you know, that I could just take that first step into the deep end. So that's what I've done, and I have a quick little 1-minute video clip that I'm going to show you that you can check out this machine running. It's pretty doggone awesome. I have a lot of learning to do ahead of me. There's a big learning curve for me on this machine. I've never used anything like this before. But I can't wait to be able to exploit the potential of this machine. I think that there will be bigger and better and more great things on its way. Once I get past this hump, I've got some projects that I'm going to be posting. I'm filming right now. It's stuff that's really cool. I think you're going to like, but I kind of need to get over this hump right now. So stay tuned for that. And I will be kind of doing a full review and talking about this machine, and I'm going to have more projects coming up using this machine. I'll try to incorporate that into some of the other things that you're used to seeing me do. So can't wait to get that stuff posted. If I don't see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll talk soon. So check this out.